Chapter 5 Types of Birds. Learning Objectives 1. Body structure of a bird. 2. Beak of birds. 3. Feet and claws of birds. Let me answer. Is peacock a bird? Is kiwi a bird? Where do you find kiwi? Birds. Perching birds. Scratching birds. Swimming birds. Wearing birds. Flashing eating birds. Climbing birds. Birds. Birds are the beautiful animals found all around the world. Like other living things, birds also need food. Some birds eat grains while some other eat flesh. Birds use their beak and claws to hold and eat their food. A bird possesses a streamlined body with head, wings, tails and legs. The head has a beak with no teeth. There are two holes called nara, which act as nostrils. The bird have hollow the light bones filled with air. This makes the body of a bird light in weight, so birds can fly easily. The wings are attached to the body of the bird with strong muscles called flight muscles. These help the wings move up and down. Feathers of a bird. Most of the birds have feathers all over their body. These feathers differ in size, shape, color and design. The feathers are of two types: down feathers, flight feathers. Down feathers are fluffy and cover the full body of bird, keeping it warm. Flight feathers are long and sturdy, attached to wing and help them in flying. Beak of birds. The shape of a bird's beak is suited to the type of food it eats. 1. Sharp, strong and hooked beaks. The birds of prey like eagles, vultures, etc. have sharp, strong and hooked beaks. Such beaks help to tear flesh. 2. Hard, strong and short beaks. The grain-eating birds like pigeons, sparrow, etc. have hard, strong and short beaks. Such beaks help to pick up and crush the food they eat. 3. Curved beak. The bird like parrot have curved beaks. Such beaks help to crack seeds, nuts and fruits. Parrot also climb up the tree using their curved beak. 4. Strong and chisel-shaped beak. The birds like woodpecker and hoopay have strong and chisel-shaped beaks. These beaks help in making holes in the bark of trees and pulling out insects to eat. 5. Broad and short beaks. The birds like swallows have broad and short beaks which are sticky from inside. Swallows keep their beaks open to catch the flying insect. Small flies and insects stick to the beak and the bird swallows them up. 6. Long and pointed beaks. The bird like sunbirds and hummingbirds have long and pointed beaks. These beaks help them to pull out insects from holes to the ground. 7. Broad and flat beak. The birds like duck have broad and flat beaks. These beaks have tiny holes on the insides. When duck takes in muddy water with insect, worms and water plants, the mud and water flow out through these tiny holes. The food for the duck is left inside the beak. Feet and claws. Birds have 2 legs and 2 feet. The claws can be seen at the tips of the toe of the birds. They use their feet to move, catch food and to protect themselves from enemies. The claws of the bird tell us about their living habit. According to the type of feet and claws, birds can be categorized as 1. Perching birds. They have 3 toes in front and 1 at the back. Front toes are like fingers and back toes are like thumbs. Such toes assist perching birds to hold on to the branch. They can even sleep while perching. 2. Scratching birds. A hen has 3 toes in front and 1 short toe at the back. It has also a small 50th toe. A little higher up at the back of the leg, each toe has a horny claw. These toes assist the hen to scratch the earth and catch insects and buried seeds. 3. Swimming birds. Water birds possess webbed feet. The 3 toes in front are joined by skin webs which assist to push back the water while swimming. There is 1 toe at the back. 4. Wading birds. Birds like crane, heron, etc. walk through mud and water. They have long legs with spread out toes that assist them wade through muddy water. Their toes keep them from sinking into the mud. 5. Flesh-eating birds. They possess sharp and curved claws called talons which are used to grip small animals like rat, toad, etc. 6. Climbing birds. Birds like woodpecker and parakeet have two toes which point upwards and two toes which point downwards. These help them to climb and cling to trees. Facts to know: when a duck swims in water, its feathers do not get wet. Birds do not lie down during sleep. They stand upright while sleeping. Beak is also called bell or rostrum. The hummingbird is the smallest bird and the ostrich is the biggest bird in the world. Let's recall. 1. A bird possesses a streamlined body with head, wings, tail and legs. 2. The birds have hollow and light bones filled with air. 3. Birds have different kinds of beaks. Many of them have sharp, strong and hooked beaks. 4. Birds like swallows have broad and short beaks which are sticky from inside. 5. Sunbirds and hummingbirds have long and pointed beaks. 6. Ducks and swans have broad and flat beaks. 7. Perching birds have 3 toes in front and 1 at the back. 8. Flesh-eating birds possess sharp and curved claws called talons, which are used to prey like rat, toad, etc. Word power. Birds of prey, birds which hunt and eat other animals. Chisel, a carpenter's tool. Hollow, empty with end from inside. Streamline, made with a smooth shape offering little resistance or making more efficient movement in water or air. Train your brain. Cross-curriculum connect. 1. Answer the following questions in short. A. How many toes does a hen have? B. Which feathers of the bird keep it warm? C. Which bird has a curved beak? D. Which type of beak does a parrot possess? 2. Fill up the blanks with suitable words. A. Water birds possess dash feet. B. A crane walks through dash. C. A woodpecker has a dash-shaped beak. D. Hen is a dash bird. E. The dash indicates the food habit of a bird. 3. Answer the following questions. A. Mention 4 special features which help the birds fly. B. What are the 2 types of feathers that birds have? C. What are birds of prey? D. Describe broad and flat beaks. 4. Take the right and cross the wrong statements. A. Birds are the only animals that can fly. B. Water birds do not have webbed feet. C. Wading birds do not have long legs. D. The woodpecker taps the bark of a tree with its beak. E. Grain-eating birds have curved beak. 5. Multiple choice questions. Tick the correct option. A. The birds fly with the help of their dash. 1 body, 2 claws, 3 feathers, 4 wings. B. Birds have a body which is dash. 1 hard, 2 heavy, 3 long, 4 streamlined. C. A woodpecker has a beak which looks like a dash. 1 hammers, 2 hook, 3 horn, 4 chisel. D. Sparrow and pigeon are dash. 1 swimming birds, 2 flesh-eating birds, 3 scratching birds, 4 perching birds. 6. Match the columns. Column A, column B. A. Duck. B. Hen. C. Crane. D. Woodpecker. E. Sparrow. 1. Scratching feet. 2. Wading bird. 3. Climbing bird. 4. Webbed feet. 5. Perching bird. 7. Give one word for each one of the following. A. Reason for sticky beaks in swallows. B. Function of holes in the beak of a duck. C. Information given by different claws of birds. Activity time. Make a bird's beak. Fold a card in half and cut a slit in the middle. Fold back corners. Push folds inside out. Glue to a piece of cards. Do not glue the beak. Draw a bird's face around the beak. Open and close the card to move the beak. Hots. 1. Can you guess why ostrich cannot fly? 2. If wings, tail and feathers grow on your body as you are at present, would you be able to fly like a bird? If yes, why? If no, why not? Project time. 1. Draw the picture of a bird in your notebook and write all its body parts. 2. Collect at least 10 pictures of birds and paste them in your scrapbook. Observe their beaks and claws. Write a few lines about each one of them. 3. Become a bird watcher. You could become a bird watcher. Birds are early risers. You can see and hear birds happily chirping near lakes, ponds, and trees early in the morning. Take a notebook with you when you go for bird watching. Note down interesting information like size, color, and shape of the beak, the kind of sound birds make, how they move, walk fast or slowly, etc.